Hi guys, I am making a game, a zombie game. This is my first YouTube video. I have no experience, so this video could be boring, but I think not for everyone. Okay, I use Unreal Engine version 5, but this was starting when the version was 4. That's why I have this map. Okay, let's present you what I did until now. So how did I say this is a zombie game? I have here a weapon system, primary weapon, secondary weapon, and axle. One, two, three. Okay. To show you what I have here, I have a inventory. How did you saw a weapon system, pickup and drop system, so I can pick up this mushroom, for example, and it came in inventory. Okay. I can drop objects, so let's drop these items. Okay, so let's pick up again. So I have two mushrooms, and clip, pistol clip, and rifle clip. I can drop the weapons too. And the axle too. And I have nothing on this character, but let's pick up again. When they pick up, they appear in bottom of screen, and it takes on hand and appear in the right. I will take the next weapon and become the on-hand weapon. I can mix on these weapons. I can hide it, and let's take this primary weapon. I can mix between and hide it. I had made a climbing system too. This is in two parts for high edges and for low edges, and its function okay. I want to continue this to continue this game, and in next episode I will make building system. Let change the maps level, I think it's about level 2. Now we'll see how will look the games. This game is make it from scratch, from Unreal library, and some characters free on internet. For who knows who is in this business, they know this personage. His name is Leonard. This name is Leonard. Okay. So this is the map. It's a free map from Unreal. Sorry. Let's take a walk through map. Oh, sorry. Yes, this is a little problem. I will remediate. But what did I say before is about building system. We will we'll create houses from elements. The elements what we have are meshes. Okay, we will use something like that to build houses, and then after a few episodes, when we're done this building system, we'll figure something else to create something interesting. So I hope not bothering you with this stupid episode. This is a presentation episode. Okay, thank you for watching, and we'll see you when I came with the next episode.